All right, hey guys, it's the Treehouse Diva and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really exciting video. It's going to be an unboxing, and this is my second beauty box. It's kind of become something that I've really started to get into because it's something to look forward to. It just sort of feels like Christmas when you're getting these boxes, and I love trying out new products. Especially organic and natural products. So today we're going to try out the Petit Vour beauty box, which is for the month of July. So we're a little bit behind. It's August now, but I signed up a little bit late. So yeah, so we're a little bit behind, which is okay. But yeah, so I have unboxed this already. I've used the products. I think that would be nice just because a lot of times when people do unboxings, they haven't tried the products, and I wanted to try them out because I wanted to just talk about what I like about them instead of just giving like a first impression, because how can you really know, unless you've tried it out. So I have tried everything in the box, and I'll give you my comments on it. And then one thing that I'd really like to do with my channel is at the end of the month, after I've gotten all my boxes, just sort of do my favorites of all the boxes of a compilation, and that way I've gotten to try the products more than a few times, and I can really just pinpoint what is the best of the current things I've been getting. So yeah, let's get started with the box. In case you don't know, Petit Vour is it's vegan and cruelty free. And mostly all natural / organic. It's $15 a month, and you get about 5 to 6 items. They're pretty much smaller sizes, but the quality is really good. So, there's kind of a trade-off. You don't get the full-size products usually, maybe one full-size product. But their products are really, really high quality, high-end stuff. And yeah, they're just very well curated items from the best of the natural beauty world. So this is the box as it came to me, and it came with this little card which talks about all the items in the box. So gives you a little bit of a guide. And the cool thing about Petit Vour is that if you rate the items, they give you $1 per item that you rate, so you can get up to $4 of a credit per month. If you like the items, you can save it up and use that. So I think that's pretty neat. So that's one of the features of the box that I really like. So we'll start with the Ursa Major 4-in-1 Essential Face Wipes. This is a 5-pack with aloe, bamboo, and green tea. And I believe the bamboo is the actual wipe itself. And so there's 5 of them in here, and they're just individually wrapped. It would be nice if I got a little bit bigger of a pack, but I do really like these wipes. They smell wonderful. Just all the essential oils in them are so good. The bamboo wipe itself is really great. It's very strong. It's better than a lot of the face wipes that you get because they kind of just stretch out and fall apart, and this didn't do that. It really held together well. This says it's a 4-in-1 face wipe. It cleans, exfoliates, soothes, and hydrates anytime to reboot dull, tired, or oily skin. Perfect for sprucing up at the office, after a ride, or when you're on the road. So it kind of cleans, tones, exfoliates, and it has a little bit of moisturizing from the aloe in it. I love these. These are actually one of my favorite things in the box. I like face wipes. They're really convenient, and these are one of the few face wipes I've had that not have that sting that you get. Almost every face wipe that I've tried you get this kind of sting, and it just tingles, and it kind of feels a little harsh after you use it, and it goes away. But I just feel like these are gentle, and they're really truly good for your skin. And it has witch hazel, aloe, the green tea in it, and they smell amazing. So this is actually something that I would consider buying. I definitely would. So this was a big win for me. It's one of my favorite things in the box. And then I'll move on to my other probably favorite thing in the box, which was this face oil. It's called Osea Essential Hydrating Oil. Apply to face, hydrate, and plump skin. The first ingredient is macadamia seed oil. It has sesame oil, jojoba oil, a bergamot. I think all this is all in French, so I'm trying to translate. Lavender oil, citrus oil, rosewood oil, and a few other oils that I can't translate. But it smells like there's some ylang ylang in it too. But yeah, you definitely can smell the rose. And the roll-on's really nice. I would actually just carry this with me as a just a perfume oil because it has a really nice subtle scent to it. It's not overpowering, but I love rose scents and just all the other scents that are layered into it. Even if I didn't like this for my face, I would do it as a perfume oil. Just a very subtle perfume oil. It's not too perfumey, but I've used it on my face. I used it this morning. It didn't, like, it sank into my skin really well. It didn't just sit on top of my skin. I like it. I mean, there's some facial oils that I already use that I'm really into, but this one I do like a lot. So I would definitely consider purchasing it. I think it is $32 on their website at Petit Vour. And I think that with the beauty box subscription, you also get a discount on their website. I think it's 10 to 15% off. I can double check that, but you do get some of it of a discount. So the subscription really does have some good benefits, even though you're not getting huge sizes of the products. Although this, I think, is the full size. So that's nice. Let's go into the next thing, which is the Little Barn Apothecary Aloe and Rose Water Balancing Mist with aloe vera, Turkish rose, and Nigerian hibiscus. So here's this. It's a nice little sample size, but it does smell so good. It smells like rose water. It's similar to my Thayer's Rose and Witch Hazel toner, but the smell's probably a little bit nicer. I think it's a little bit higher end of a product. But yeah, this is kind of on par with my Thayer's Witch Hazel, which I use religiously. So I did really like this. I think it's lacking in glycerin, but it has a lot of the other similar ingredients. Yeah, it's aloe, rose water, witch hazel, radish root ferment, hibiscus extract, and that's everything that's in it, by the Little Barn Apothecary. But it's a really nice little product. I love rose water spray. So I don't know if I would buy it because I do really like my Thayer's Witch Hazel, and I think that it's probably cheaper, and it's just a great product. The Thayer's Witch Hazel has glycerin in it, which also moisturizes. So I don't know if I can let go of my Thayer's, but I am happy to receive this. This was a free item in the box, and this is part of the reason why I actually got it, because it's an additional sample. But this is the Wara Rose and Willow Bark Purifying Mask. It exfoliates, minimizes pores, oily skin types. Willow bark is a natural form of salicylic acid, so it's gonna exfoliate your skin and get rid of excess oil and acne. I did it this morning. I liked the mask, but I've been really looking for a mask that has clay in it and something with charcoal. Some other ingredients that I would like to see in it would be salicylic acid and some kind of a tea tree or something, because I really want something that's gonna suck everything out. And I didn't get that suction factor with it that you get with the clay masks or with charcoal. I just want something that's gonna literally like pull everything out and detoxify, because it's summer and I just don't want to want to prevent any kind of acne and all the gross stuff. I just want to pull it out of my skin. And this was a little more gentle. I didn't feel that suction power. But it did have little granules in it, so I kind of exfoliated, then I left it on my skin for about 10 minutes and rinsed it off. And I mean, it definitely was nice. I had no issues with it. It had kind of a tingly sensation either from tea tree or salicylic acid, so it did feel like it was purifying. But I'm on the hunt for something with charcoal. So if you guys know of a charcoal mask that is really good, please let me know. And the final item in the box was this Lila B, and it's Divine Duo Lip and Cheek. Double your pleasure with our Lip and Cheek Duo, long wearing yet creamy and moisturizing. Our innovative formulation provides healthy, buildable color, perfect for day and night. Made in Italy. So there's 3 colors in here. You've got sort of just a regular kind of warm pink, a red, and the hot pink. I haven't tried the red yet. I tried the soft pink, and that was nice on my cheeks. And then I tried the hot pink, and I love that on my cheeks. I think there's nothing better than a really good hot pink pop of cool pink on your cheeks. It really is very youthful. I think it's just a really underestimated color for just popping your face, popping your complexion. I'll show you what a little bit it looks like. This is the hot pink shade, but it doesn't show up hot pink on your cheeks. It's not like this intense thing, but it just gives a really nice, bright, youthful pop of color. It almost has that kind of like sun flush look to it, but I do really like this shade, and I'm happy to have received it. So yeah, that's the Lila B lip and cheek duo. I put a little bit on my lips. It didn't really seem to have the staying power that I want, but I'll put a little bit on my lips to show you. I think it's good for putting over a long wearing color, like my just any long wearing lipstick you could put this over. I really like to layer my lipsticks. I like to wear a color stay lipstick and then something a little more moisturizing on top. So I think for a top layer, this is actually good. So I would consider buying this hot pink shade in the color Sassy, Be Sassy from Lila B. But yeah, here's the colors, and there's that. So yeah, that is the box from Petit Vour for July. I cannot wait for August's box. And I also have a few other boxes coming. I'll be having the Allure Beauty box, Sephora Play, Ipsy, and then I went ahead and I also subscribed to the Glossy box and BoxyCharm. So I went a little bit crazy, but I really love doing these videos. So if you like them too, please let me know. I'm always on the hunt for unboxings. I like comparing boxes, so I'll probably be doing a comparison of Glossy Box and BoxyCharm, because those are two easy ones to compare. They're the same price point. And I might do a comparison of Sephora Play versus Ipsy. So yeah, I'm really, really excited about those ones for August. So stay tuned and subscribe if you want to be notified about those videos and any other future videos. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hope you guys are doing great, and thanks for watching. Bye.